Zimbabwe's controversial Chief Justice, Luke Malaba, is set to retire on 14 May after a tenure marked by persistent allegations of judicial capture by ruling elites. Saramida mashoko buda panguva ine tiona kuti aiwa Luke Malaba is now set to retire. Panguva ine chinoka on 14 May aiwa ndo pachanga achisiya matomu. Don't subscribe or like or on the bell icon. So zvamuri kuona this certificate from Daniel Chinzi. Take notice that a special ceremonial sitting of the Constitutional Court will be held to mark the retirement and distinguished service of the Honorable Chief Justice Luke Malaba. Ndo mashikano kudanyikwa panapa tona kuti opochwana nenda mberi achiti he was granted a highly controversial and constitutionally disputed term extension in 2021, a move many viewed as a test case for broader constitutional changes that have since fueled divisions within the ruling party. During his time as Chief Justice, Malaba presided over several contentious rulings, including the August 2018 electoral dispute, where his decisions were widely criticized and raised serious questions about judicial independence and the integrity of the court. Thoma developments aripo panguva inoi pakuritaya kuri kuita aiwa Luke Malaba. Ina comment section menu za funde inyimbo tukudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.